In the depths of the Bermuda Island, a sinister project has been unfolding, shrouded in secrecy. Welcome to the Horizon Project, where the lines between human and monster are blurred. This is not just a game, it's a real-world biological experiment that has created superhuman characters with extraordinary abilities. But at what cost? The genesis of the Horizon Project reveals a dark lore, where 2026 updates position the project as a global biological threat, and the original laboratory blueprints expose the unethical goals of creating perfected humans through CRISPR-inspired genetic manipulation. The DNA blueprints and character mutations show how specific genetic sequences are responsible for unique active skills, but also reveal the biological cost of these powers, including cellular degradation and mental instability. Classified laboratory records decipher the hidden environmental storytelling, revealing failed experimental subjects and the digital trail left by rogue scientists. The evolution of the Bermuda ecosystem discusses how artificial mutations have spread into the island's flora and fauna, and how the shrinking play zone activates dormant genetic markers in survivors. The future of synthetic humanity predicts upcoming character releases based on the remaining gaps in the Horizon Project's genetic roadmap, assessing the moral implications of using high-tech biological warfare as entertainment within the lore. You think you know your favorite Free Fire characters, but their origins are hidden in a laboratory of horrors. What if the superhuman speed and strength you use on Bermuda were actually the result of illegal biological warfare? I've uncovered laboratory records that the Horizon Project tried to keep buried forever, revealing the haunting truth about the mutations and DNA tampering that define the Free Fire roster. Are Free Fire characters human, or are they mere biological weapons awaiting their final command? The dark lore reveal, the scientific what if, and the investigative thriller all lead to one conclusion: the Horizon Project is a twisted experiment that has created a new breed of superhuman soldiers. The evidence is clear: DNA splicing, mental instability, and cellular decay are all part of the project's dark history. The twist is chilling: these characters are not heroes, but weapons waiting for a final activation command. The call to action is clear: comment your main character's name below to unlock their classified dark file. Delve into the world of Free Fire lore, and discover the secrets behind your favorite characters. The Horizon Project is not just a game, it's a real-world biological experiment that has created a new breed of superhuman soldiers. Join me as we bridge the gap between gaming lore and the terrifying world of real-world biological experimentation. The main theme of the Horizon Project is the genetic secrets of Free Fire, with a conflict between human survivors and engineered biological weapons. The keywords are DNA blueprinting, CRISPR tech, classified lab records, and unethical mutations. The script structure is divided into 5 parts: the hook, the reveal, the evidence, the twist, and the call to action. The style and tone are dark, fast-paced, and investigative, using power words like classified, genetic mutation, cover-up, and biological warfare. The story is a captivating 600-second viral script, with high-energy, cinematic English. The total length is exactly 1,500 words, divided into 5 parts based on the Project Horizon outline: genesis, DNA blueprints, laboratory records, ecosystem evolution, and future outlook. The word count for each section is 30 words, with a focus on the dark lore, scientific what if, and investigative thriller. The hook title is How Free Fire Characters Are Born: The Dark Truth of Project Horizon, with alternative titles including The Genetic Secrets Behind Every Free Fire Ability Explained and Inside Project Horizon, The Twisted Experiments That Created Your Main. The data context is from the Project Horizon files, with a main theme of genetic secrets, conflict between human survivors and engineered biological weapons, and keywords including DNA blueprinting and CRISPR tech. The script structure is designed to engage the audience, with a shocking investigative opening, an introduction to Project Horizon, and a detailed explanation of the DNA splicing and its dark cost. The twist is chilling, and the call to action is clear. The style and tone are dark, fast-paced, and investigative, with a focus on power words and a captivating narrative. In conclusion, the Horizon Project is a dark and sinister experiment that has created a new breed of superhuman soldiers. The genetic secrets, DNA blueprinting, and CRISPR tech all contribute to a terrifying world of real-world biological experimentation. The story is a must-read for anyone interested in free fire lore, and the call to action is clear: comment your main character's name below to unlock their classified dark file.